Most companies' IT systems sort of evolve. Job costing, accounts, management information, invoicing. It means your staff enter information more than once, or not at all. And Dave the MD, Sam in accounts, and Mike and Steve are all working in the dark. No one knows about what the company has bought, if the charge-out rates are correct, if the invoices you send your clients have all the costs on. No one knows the real work in progress. It's time and money down the drain. So how would it look if data was entered only once? Time was grossed up correctly. Accounts knew about purchases straight away and could accrue for them. Management knew if a job was going over budget before it did, so you can advise the client. And if the system integrated with your existing ones, like Sage, it would mean less time wasted. Clients would get invoiced faster, Dave the MD would be able to see if jobs were profitable, and Sam in accounts would know what's going on too. Welcome Amber JCS, dedicated for your business, customizable and flexible with great support, working with you to make your business more profitable. If you'd like to know more, or for an online demo of how Amber JCS can work for your business, just give us a call.